Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking a quick look at the objective political science question paper of first semester having title Indian National Movement and Constitution of India. Whether you are preparing for your exams or just want to test your knowledge, this video is for you. This paper contains 100 questions. After analyzing this question paper, I can say fundamental rights, fundamental duties and DPSP are the most important topics. So please make sure that you don't skip them. So let's start with this video. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट इज आर्टिकल 14 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज रिलेटेड टू। अब देखो, एबोलिशन ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी आर्टिकल 17 है, एबोलिशन ऑफ टाइटल्स आर्टिकल 18 है, राइट टू लाइफ आता है आर्टिकल 21 के अंडर। तो इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, इक्वलिटी बिफोर लॉ एंड इक्वल प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ लॉ। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर जस्टिसिएबल इन नेचर। तो ये बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है, इसका आंसर है फंडामेंटल राइट्स। इसमें ऑल ऑफ दी अबव आएगा जिस क्वेश्चन में, उसमें आपको एलिमिनेशन टेक्निक यूज करनी है। इनमें से अगर एक भी गलत हो जाता है तो ऑल ऑफ दी अबव तो नहीं ही आएगा, पर वैसे देखा जाए तो ये बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है। इसका आंसर है फंडामेंटल राइट्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड इज द डिप्टी चेयरमैन ऑफ द राज्यसभा इज इलेक्टेड बाय। दिस इज ऑल्सो अ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ऑल मेंबर्स ऑफ राज्यसभा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर इज हु वाज द फर्स्ट चेयरमैन ऑफ राज्यसभा। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, डॉक्टर राधाकृष्णन। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फिफ्थ इज हु इज चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया ऑफ प्रेजेंट। तो जो ये क्वेश्चन पेपर है ये 2021 का है। उस टाइम पर मिस्टर सुनील अरोड़ा वॉज द चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया। अगर प्रेजेंट की बात की जाए 2025 में, तो मिस्टर ज्ञानेश कुमार इज द प्रेजेंट चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया। इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर सिक्स इज द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया वॉज अडॉप्टेड एंड इनेक्टेड ऑन। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, 26 नवंबर 1949। Question number 7 is who among the following moved the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly? Answer is option number A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option number 8 is who was the first temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Option number C is the correct answer, Sachidanand Sinha. Question number 9, who among the following was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Answer is option number A, B.N. Rao. Question number 10, who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? So option number B, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the right answer. Question number 11. Which among the following words is not written in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Option number B, welfare state is the correct answer. Question number 12. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Answer is W.C. Banerjee. Question number 13. Who presided over the Lahore session of the Indian National Congress of 1929? Option number A, Jawaharlal Nehru is the right answer. Who wrote Hindu Swaraj? Very easy question, Mahatma Gandhi. Who among the following given the famous slogan, you give me blood, I will give you freedom? तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Very famous slogan. Answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 16. Who had given the slogan of do or die during the Quit India movement? Option number D, Mahatma Gandhi is the right answer. Question number 17. The title Punjab Kesari was conferred on. Option number A, Lala Lajpat Rai is the right answer. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India, leaving South Africa forever in. Option number B, 1915 is the right answer. और जो एग्जैक्ट डेट है वो है 9 जनवरी 1915, विच इज सेलिब्रेटेड एज प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस. द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस सेलिब्रेटेड द इंडिपेंडेंस डे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन 26 जनवरी 1930. All the three round table conferences were held in London. 21. Who raised the slogan इनकलाब जिंदाबाद? भगत सिंह. आप नोटिस कर रहे होगे स्लोगन के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, सो प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू रिमेंबर देम. द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, द पावर टू इशू अ रिट ऑफ हबीस कॉर्पस इज वेस्टेड ओनली इन. ऑप्शन सी, द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड द हाई कोर्ट. तो इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. आर्टिकल 32 सुप्रीम कोर्ट को पावर देता है और आर्टिकल 226 हाई कोर्ट को भी पावर देता है रिट इशू करने की. 23, द फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज आर मेंशन्ड इन. ऑप्शन नंबर ए, पार्ट 4 का ए. Which fundamental rights cannot be suspended even during an emergency? Right to life and personal liberty, Article 21. 25. Which one of the following rights was described by Dr. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Which of the following committee suggested fundamental duties in Indian Constitution? Option number D, Swaran Singh Committee. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution contain right against exploitation? Article 23-24. By which constitutional amendment the right to education became a fundamental right? 86th. Which famous case involved the term basic structure doctrine of Indian Constitution? Keshavanand Bharti case. Reservation of seats in educational institutions in favor of SC and ST is governed by Article 15 of the Indian Constitution. Which article of Indian Constitution is related to abolition of untouchability? Article 17. Who appointed the Prime Minister of India? President of India. Under the Constitution of India, the residuary powers are vested in Parliament. What are the ideals that a state must keep in mind while framing policies called BPSP? Which of the following articles consist of maternity relief? Article number 42. आर्टिकल 44 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज रिलेटेड टू यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड. कैसे याद कर सकते हो? 44 दोनों यूनिफॉर्म है. यूनिफॉर्म मतलब सेम सेम. 44 यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड. 37 फ्रॉम विच कंट्री हैज इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बोरोड डीपीएसपी? आयरलैंड. राइट टू प्राइवेसी एज अ फंडामेंटल राइट इज इम्प्लिसिट इन ऑप्शन सी द राइट टू पर्सनल लिबर्टी एंड लाइफ. Which one of the under mentioned article is guaranteed to citizens as right to freedom of conscience? Option number D, Article 25. The concept of welfare state is included in the Indian Constitution in the DPSP. At present, how many fundamental duties are there in the Constitution of India? 11. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is present Lok Sabha Speaker? Option C, Om Birla. How many high courts in India at present? 25. Right to property is still constitutional right under which article? Article 300A. Which article is related to CAG of India? Article 148. So basically Article 148 to 151 are about CAG. The provisions of Article 368 of Indian Constitution is related to option number A, procedure for amendment of the Constitution. Which of the following powers of the President is contained in Article 76 of the Indian Constitution? Option number C, appointment of Attorney General. Which of the following veto powers of President implies taking no action on the bill? Option A, pocket veto. Who among the following do not participate in the election of Vice President of India? Option number C, elected members of Vidhan Sabha. State assemblies इसमें participate नहीं करती हैं, लोकसभा राज्यसभा करती हैं. The President of India is not the authority for the appointment of Chairman of State Public Service Commission. The authority to declare war or peace under the Constitution of India is vested in A, the President. Question number 51. The President of India is not the authority for the appointment of Chairman of State Public Service Commission. ये जो पावर है गवर्नर के पास है अंडर आर्टिकल 316. The authority to declare war or peace under the Constitution of India is vested in President. 53. Which of the following articles of Indian Constitution is related to procedure for impeachment of the President? Option number C, Article 61. Very important question, very important question. The division of powers between center and state by the Constitution is the characteristic of federal system. Sarkaria Commission submitted its report on which subject? Center-state relations. The idea of parliamentary system was adopted by the makers of Indian Constitution from which country? Britain or UK. Which country we borrowed judicial review? America, USA. How many subjects are there in the concurrent list of 7th schedule of Indian Constitution? 52. The 86th constitutional amendment deals with right to education. ये repeat हुआ है question. Question number 60. Which of the following writs implies the command to perform public duty? Mandamus. Which one of the following is not covered under Article 19 of the Indian Constitution? Double jeopardy. In the parliamentary form of government, the members of Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to Lok Sabha, which is the popular house of the parliament. Article 63 of the Indian Constitution is related to the Vice President of India. Defense is the subject of which list in Indian Constitution? Union list. How many members are nominated to Rajya Sabha by President of India? 12. Which one of the following is not a measure of control exercised by the Parliament over government? Review of cabinet decision. Article 112 of Indian Constitution is related to annual financial statement, which is known as budget. और जो मनी बिल होता है वो है आर्टिकल 110 के अंडर. Where can money bills be introduced? Only in Lok Sabha. How many states have legislative council? 6. Which of the following is the quorum requirement in the Lok Sabha? 1/10. Article 243 of the Indian Constitution is related to panchayats. Who among the following decides whether a bill is a money bill? Speaker of Lok Sabha. At what age does a judge retire in the Supreme Court of India? 65 years. 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with languages. Which one of the following article is related to Finance Commission? Option number C, Article 280. Article 148 is about CAG, Article 216 is about Constitution of High Courts, and Article 324 is about Election Commission. 76. Which of the following formulates the model code of conduct for the political parties and candidates? Election Commission. What is the minimum age for the appointment as a governor in India? 35 years. This is mentioned in Article 157. Who of the following is not appointed by the governor? Attorney General. As Attorney General is appointed by the President on the advice of Council of Ministers. What is the tenure of the members of Rajya Sabha? 6 years. What can be the maximum size of Council of Ministers as per 91st Constitutional Amendment? 15% of the popular house, means Lok Sabha. 81. Who is the Vice President of India? Option number D, M. Venkaiah Naidu. But as of now, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar is the Vice President of India. What is the maximum permissible strength of the Legislative Assembly? Option number A, 500 members. The salaries and allowances of the judges of High Court are determined by which Parliament of India? On which date Constituent Assembly of India met for the first time? Option number A, 9 December 1946 in New Delhi. Question number 85. Who was the founder of the organization Abhinav Bharat in 1906 at London? Option number C, V.D. Savarkar. Question number 86. On which date Mahatma Gandhi broke the salt law after concluding the Dandi March? April 6, 1930. The founder of the Arya Samaj was Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Cabinet mission came to India in which year? 1946. What was the first movement of Mahatma Gandhi in India? The Champaran Satyagraha of 1917. Which article of Indian Constitution talks about freedom of press? Article 19, subclause 1, subclause 8. Respect and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture is? Option number C, a fundamental duty of every citizen under Article 51A, subclause F. The separation of powers is the characteristic of federal system, which is called as the guardian of the Constitution of India. Option number B, the Supreme Court. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Option number D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In which year did Gandhi ji start non-cooperation movement in India? Option number C, 1920, and the exact date is 5th September. 96. Who among the following called the Prime Minister as the captain of the ship of the state? Option number A, Monroe. Who chairs the joint session of the two houses of the Parliament? The Speaker. And who calls it? President. And the joint session is called by the President under Article 108. Who among the following nominates the Chairman of Public Account Committee of India? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Provisions for President rule in states under which article of the Indian Constitution? Option number B, Article 356. In the Constitution of India, promotion of international peace and security is DPSP. That's a wrap on today's video. If you want more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All the best for your exams.